Hello, Cricuters, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you another option for making Christmas ornaments. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I have made multiple options or multiple types of ornaments this season. I started making ornaments back in July when I did my Christmas in July series. So some of the ornaments I made at that time, I made floating ornaments, and I have the tutorial here on my channel. I have done engraved ornaments. So this one says Jesus is the reason for the season. I've done wood slice ornaments that look like this in recognition of my Houston Rockets. I've done sublimated ornaments. I have also done Dollar Tree glitter ornaments with polyacrylic inside. So I've just done a variety of different ornaments. I've also done print then cut ornaments. In today's tutorial, before I show it to you, go ahead and do the three things. Hit the like, the subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week without fail. I am on the road to 5,000 subscribers. That is my goal for this year, and I want you to be on the road with me. I want you to come along with me on this journey. It is free for you to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and hopefully you'll learn something along the way. All right, while you're doing that, let me show you what one of the ornaments looks like that I am going to show you how to do tonight. So this is one of them. Okay, it just has glitter on the back, and on the front it has a file that just says believe, and I think it is absolutely beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite ornaments. I think I've said that every single time, but this is definitely one of my favorites. I love the colors, I love the look of it, I love the simplicity of it, and I want to share the process with you. So without further ado, let's look at all the materials you'll need in order to create a beautiful ornament just like this. The materials that I'll use for this project include, I'll be connected to my Cricut Explore Air 2. I'll use a standard grip green mat. I'll use transfer tape. I've been using this roll for quite a while. It lasts a long time because I reuse transfer tape as much as I can. I will be using a Cricut scraper, the extra large scraper. I'll use extra fine glitter. I have various colors right here. There are 5 different colors. I'm using E6000 spray adhesive. Comes in an 8-ounce bottle like this. I will be using HTV Ront permanent adhesive vinyl in red and green. I will also use my Cricut scissors. I'll use various colors of twine. I will use my Cricut True Control knife. I will also use my pen weeding tool. I'm sure you can see that. And I will be using bundles, files from 2 bundles that are free right now within design bundles. I will put the links down below, and I suggest grabbing them as fast as you can. Go ahead and download them as soon as you can because they are free, and I don't know how long they will be free for. I also have some ribbon on hand. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not because I have not put the files together yet, but I just have various colors of ribbon, and I'll use them if I think they'll look nice or add to my project. Okay, without further ado, let me show you the 3 designs that I will put together for this tutorial, and I will also show you the bundles that I downloaded from Design Bundle. I am on the Design Bundles webpage, and right now this Christmas round bundle is free, and I am going to be using files that are within this bundle. It is free for 1 day, 6 hours, and the minutes are counting down. So I'm definitely going to use this file that says Believe in the Magic of Christmas. I am going to use this one that says Silver Bells, and I am also going to use this one that says Let It Snow. Okay, I have my vinyl placed on my mat. I'm only using 1 mat. I typically try to always use the least amount of mats. The white vinyl is Cricut brand vinyl, and I'll be using that for the file that says Let It Snow. The green vinyl is HTV Ront. I'll be using that for the file that says Believe in the Magic of Christmas. and the silver vinyl is Oracal 651. I'll be using that for the file that says silver bells. I have my cut setting set to premium vinyl. I will press the flashing C and I will speed this part up. It looks like the vinyl cut out pretty well, so it looks like I did get a good cut. I'm kind of worried about the Cricut vinyl. It doesn't always do well for me. Some people have a good experience with it. I don't always have a good experience, but we shall see. Now, before I place this vinyl down, I'll show you how I'm going to prepare the glitter. Now, the acrylic blanks that I'm using, it will not look like there is a clear plastic backing on it, but there is. So make sure you take the plastic off. And what I'm doing, I'm only going to take the plastic off of one side for now because I don't want to get the other side dirty. But what I'll do after I take the plastic off, so that's one. I'm making 3 ornaments, so I'll just take the plastic off all 3 now. 2. Thought I would make 4, but I am at the end of my ornament journey. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to use this E6000 spray adhesive. On the back of the bottle it says, shake vigorously before each use, protect surrounding area from overspray, hold bottle 8 to 10 inches away from the surface. So what I'm going to do is shake it up really good, and then what I did before when I made the first ornament is I just sprayed it liberally. Now I'm spraying the side that I removed the backing from. Okay, and that's all the spray I need for this. So I'm just going to sprinkle it on, and I'm not going to do anything to it. You see it spreading. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle the blue on next. Now doing it this way, you won't be able to put the leftover glitter back in the container, and that's just a chance you have to take doing it this way. But the beauty of it is your ornament is going to be fantastic, because look at this one, and I did this same process. You see how even the glitter is and how pretty it is. I love this so much. During the time that I am letting the glitter dry, I will weed my vinyl and just check it multiple times to see if it's dry. I am sure that the glitter is dry. I ended up letting these sit much longer than I thought I would need to, because it just, every time I checked, it wasn't dry. So my recommendation is to wait for a minimum of 2 hours just to be on the safe side, because you can see, like right here, I touched it. I don't know if you can tell, but I touched it right there, so some of the glitter came off, but hopefully the design will cover that. So I've taken the plastic from the other side of it, and now I will go ahead and use my transfer tape. Now I will go through the process of adding the designs to the other two, and I'll just speed this part up.
This is the finished product, and I have to say that I love it. I love the way these turned out, and I'm sure you will too when you try this project. Now on the back, I did spray some Krylon Crystal Clear, the one that looks like this, and what that did is made sure that the glitter is adhered to the back of the ornament and the glitter is not going everywhere you go. So I love the finish that it gives to each ornament. This is the Let It Snow one, and I just used the khaki and white twine. But at any rate, hopefully you're able to follow along with this process. This is a quick and easy beginner-friendly project, especially if you are new to Cricut. Now go ahead and do the 3 things: like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week without fail. Before I close out, let me make sure I say, let this dry. It says that it takes 1 to 3 minutes to dry on the back, and maybe I overused it or I used too much, but I would not change the amount of spray adhesive that I use, and I wouldn't change the product. I would still use this because I think it gives a good finish, and I'm not very good with Mod Podge, but I would suggest letting this dry for a minimum of 2 hours. And that'll give you a good seal and make sure it's adhered to the back of your ornament. At any rate, thanks so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.